What's new in Enscape 4.1? We all know the Enscape visual style modes.
The white mode, polystyrol, and the light view mode. These are all great and used quite often. Well, with 4.1, Enscape has introduced a few artistic modes as well. The first one, which is my favorite, is the sketch mode. It gives your model an architectural hatch style drawing filter. You have a few controls here and it gives some amazing results. The sketch style has 3 palettes. The first one we saw was the pen palette. The second one is the pencil palette, where the hatches activate the sketchy pencil lines. And the third palette is colored pencil, giving you that sketchy color look. The second artistic style is the watercolor mode. As the name suggests, it gives your real-time window a watercolor filter. I tried it on a couple of projects, and it is just as beautiful to create conceptual documentation.
For more info on the new version, click the link down below.